Well, here we are. Had my travel schedule down to a science. Early morning tomorrow, make the 8.5-hour drive, be there in time just for first pitch. Well, the Oklahoma State Cowboys just threw a massive fork in those plans. Moved first pitch from 6 p.m. up to 1 p.m. You know what they say, adapt or die. Adapt or frickin' die. They're trying to keep me out of the stadium for Nate Taylor's start tomorrow. They caught wind that I'm gonna be there. They know that I'm 6-0 on the road. It's not gonna happen. I packed up the car immediately. I got a hotel at the halfway point in Hays, Kansas, and I will see you guys tomorrow. 1 p.m. first pitch, I will be there. Hell, I might even make BP tomorrow. Let's go. All right, finally made it here to Stillwater, Oklahoma. 2-day road trip. It was a success. Got it done. Did go to my first ever quick trip. I want to shout out my friend Noah Darling. Didn't know they had it like that. There was some sort of jalapeno cream cheese slice of pizza. It almost had me grabbing it at 9 a.m. It looks like they're running a really good operation at Quick Trip. But yeah, drive through the heart of Big 12 country, as they call it. A lot of fields, a lot of cows. And we're here. I'm going to go check out the bookstore and get ready for game one. Quick bookstore review. Great bookstore. Personally, huge fan of the logos and the orange of Oklahoma State. I had to limit myself from buying quite a few items. Am actually wearing the item that I did purchase over the weekend, Pistol Pete logo, probably top 5 logos used in college sports right now. Phenomenal bookstore. All right, I just pulled into O'Brate Stadium. Not even in the stadium yet. I gotta say, I'm already impressed. I had no clue they had this entire infield, even a short outfield, honestly, out here. Connects to an indoor weight room, it looks like, right in there. Bands, bunch of stuff. A lot of things you can accomplish on this field out here. It's good stuff.
Your Oklahoma State Cowboys. Pitching tonight is number 4, Cable Smithwick. Now on today for your Cowboys, number 16, Ethan Lund.
obviously, rough game Friday, rough game all weekend. I did drown my sorrows and lift my vibes up. I checked out Eskimo Joe's. Everyone said I had to go there. Awesome place. It's massive. Great vibes in there. Always had people in there. Service was outstanding. I was told I had to get the bacon cheese fries. I don't know what they're doing to the bacon, the sweet peppered bacon, but best bacon cheese fry I've ever had. Eskimo Joe's, had to shout out that place. Phenomenal. Also, like 100 yards from the football stadium. I think personally, from places I've been, top college bar that I've been to, at least on campus, and just as close as it is to everything. It's awesome. Well, here's a new one, guys. Just snooping around like I usually do, trying to get into facilities. Literally the first door I nudged on to get into the football stadium opened up right away. Must have closed behind me, and it locked. So I'm currently locked inside of Boone Pickens Stadium. Not ideal. Looks like I gotta find someone that's in this building to let me out. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Thank God. 20 minutes later, almost a full lap around the stadium, I finally found a door that would open from the inside, and I'm out. That was starting to get spooky. I don't know if there's anyone inside the stadium. I was about to start Googling some phone numbers. I was about to make a phone call. Glad I'm out. Let's have a day. All right, we're here reviewing the Curdy dog from the original Curdy Shack. What are you guys' names?
My name's Avery. My name's Brody.
Avery, Brody, Elliot, Maximus here helping me review the Curdy dog. They're going to help me finish this thing up. This is a staple in Stillwater, so I'm going to have some Stillwater natives help me review this thing.
One bite, boys. One bite.
Ooh.
Go ahead and pass it.
Dang, that's a big one. Oh my God.
You don't have to.
Big bite.
Just get what you can.
Get what you can.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, nice.
Hell yeah. Finish that thing. Finish
Little
that
Brad,
thing.
little Brad. Nice. Good work,
All right,
boys. Good
I
effort.
know you guys are used to the usual Curdy Shack. This is inside the ballpark. Give me your review of the Curdy dog.
Officially, an 8 out of 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
9 out of 10. That's
Okay.
high. That's a high start. Strong start.
I think I'll give it a 8.5.
8.5?
I mean, 10 out of 10.
He's still got cream cheese coming out of his mouth. That's the 10.
9.5 out of 10.
Hey, and he just had the bun. That's impressive.
I'll tell you, yeah, he had strictly bun. He's giving it 8.5.
That was crispy bun.
I'm with him though. I'm giving it 8.5 as far as altogether ballpark food price. 8.5, very solid ballpark food. Great stuff here at Stillwater.
That's an OSU Foundation home run, and Miola's 9th home run of the year.
Gotta say, I'd heard about the You Dropped the Bomb on Me, the whole Gap Band experience. I was really excited about it. Probably saw it a little bit more than I would have liked to this weekend, but I gotta say, it is absolutely awesome. They crank it as loud as they can, and having the Gap Band guys actually like come up on the screen and start dancing just did it for me. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, one of the things about this stadium, another thing that I did not know until I got here, the corrals, the sections in the outfield that they have. I think you got to buy a section preseason for these seats, but you also have to show up before an hour before first pitch. Bring your own food. The grill is actually supplied for you, so you don't have to bring in your own grill, but bring in your own food, coolers, beverages. Bring in all of your own stuff, and it allows you to literally tailgate as you're watching a high-level baseball game. Best idea in sports. I've said it before. I'll say it again. We need this at more places. Fantastic job. Yeah, that'll wrap up the weekend in Stillwater. Again, not the baseball that I would have anticipated or wanted to see. Clean sweep for the Cowboys, but this stadium is a bucket list stadium, and it should be for any college baseball fan. They did a fantastic job with the entire facility in the stadium. I talked about the corrals. They have a huge right field bar section that was pictured. Yeah, just a beautiful place to watch a college baseball game. Not to mention showing up as an opposing fan. The people that I interacted with in Stillwater, whether it was at Eskimo Joe's, in the stadium, anywhere on campus, phenomenal people all around. Quick to give me suggestions, very friendly, wanted to have conversation, and yeah, definitely improved my experience. I'm very high on Stillwater. If you're a Big 12 Cincinnati fan, definitely a place you got to go visit, whether it's for a baseball or a football game. Stillwater, thank you for being you. The people of Stillwater, thanks for being awesome. I'm sure I will be back, and I enjoyed my time in Stillwater. Yeah, I will be back.